Good afternoon, everybody. It's Keith Couch with Rush Peterbilt, Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube. Um, this is one of our stock trucks. This one's actually sold. We brought it up out of our national stock truck pool. This model, we call it the Tall Texan. It's a 2021 Peterbilt 389 ultra cab and ultra sleeper, 78-inch sleeper in black cherry, and a 280-inch wheelbase. I apologize if the wind is catching it here too much. Absolutely beautiful color. Gorgeous. Real heavy metal flake. Beautiful color. One thing I've had a few people notice is you can see this. It's got a gasket here now. That's new for 2021 from Peterbilt. We never hear anything about it till it shows up. So it seems to seal up that hood to the cab a little bit better. Being the Tall Texan, I'm assuming that this one's got low pro 24.5s on it. So that's probably why they call it the Tall Texan. It's on 24.5s. Polished aluminum air tank. Master disconnect. Stainless steel def cover. 110, I'm assuming. Yeah, 110 fuel tank on this side. Got the polished toolbox. Low pro 24.5s on the back with Peterbilt holes in the wheels. Holland FW35 fifth wheel. And the Hog Built quarter fenders, and I believe these are the 24-inch, not the 30-inch. So what we did for this gentleman, we threw a couple of Merit cab guards on there. Nothing fancy, just plain old cab guards. No chain racks, no nothing. And if you look up top there, I don't know if you can see it up there, but right in the middle, got a LED light for getting on construction sites, a strobe light. And it's got several different programs that we can do. Air ride cab, air ride sleeper. And with these guys, Peterbilt lower leaf suspension. We put the brake lights and the backup light in that rear cross member. This one's got good years on it. Put a Merit chain rack over here. This gentleman. So you can load up all his chains there. Lock them down. We did a carrier APU on this one. Cost me $10,300 to have a carrier APU installed. That's just like this, just black. If you want a custom painted one, we can do that too. You see here they tap into the fuel tank. Very efficient way, very good anti-idling device. Got a 150 on this side. Did a good job polishing the after treatment. Dual air breathers. One thing about the national pools, they always put the 4 air horns on the top. I don't like that, but I don't run the pool, so. Spring ride steer axle, disc brakes, all the way around. Outside of the Cummins X15. In these pool trucks, we do a 565, but we only do them at an 1850 torque. Helps keep the cost down a bit. They are doing a Davco fuel filter. That remote lube. I don't know if you can see it up there, but the 565, 1850 torque. Just do a standard visor. And again, we can change all that if you want. Now, if we do a 565, 1850 torque, I can bump it to a 605, but I cannot change the torque. got a platinum interior, I believe. And this one weighs 18,806 pounds as it sits. Platinum interiors. Get it fired up. There's the look. Power windows, power locks, heated power mirrors, navigation. So you can see they spec these things a little bit different than what we normally spec here in Greeley. If we can pull up the gauges. There it goes. There's some electronic gauges there. They do a PTO switch, which is nice. Then you got your air suspension, fifth wheel, and interaxle diff lock. So this does not have full lockers. AM/FM CD player with Bluetooth, cruise control. Still a very nice spec. Factory installed CB. Got the premier sound system. Got the fold-away armrests. Come on, there we go. So those are very nice, especially in the 389. 78-inch sleeper. You cannot get a rear window. Well, they got her all. Got a fridge up here. Closet. Yep, business center on this side. Pull that out. Plenty of room in there. Storage, place for a TV. Get this opened up. And there's the carrier controls right there. I'm going to leave the plastic on it. Let the new owner take that off. Turn that. All your controls you need right there. So, just thought I would pass this one along. Do the additional sending unit and tank right there, so you can see how much fuel's in each tank. An off-road switch, and a place to turn off your automatic traction control. So, just thought I would share this one with you. It's a little lower cost-effective way to go and save some money. Beautiful truck, nice truck, nothing wrong with it. Just not quite as fancy as the ones we normally carry here in Greeley. So, with that, I will leave you with that. This is the tall Texan out of our national pool. I got many of these available, many different colors. I've got one over here in the Hollywood edition. I'm going to do a video on that one next. But this is the tall Texan edition. Call or text me at 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk@rushenterprises.com. couchk@rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.